Hello and welcome to this video brought to you by Smart Exam Resources. In this video, I shall teach you about biological molecules. So, let's begin. So, what exactly is the meaning of the term biological molecules? Well, biological molecules are substances produced by cells and living organisms. Next, in this lesson, you are supposed to know the following three types of biological molecules, namely, the carbohydrates, fats and proteins. So, what are the carbohydrates, fats and proteins made of? Well, the carbohydrates are made of the three elements carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. The fats are also made from the same three elements that make up the carbohydrates, namely carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. Lastly, the proteins are made up of molecules called amino acids and are found in all living organisms. Each amino acid contains the four elements, namely, hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen, and carbon. Some amino acids also contain sulfur. Next, you need to know about three large molecules that are made from glucose, amino acids and fatty acids and glycerol. Let us take one small molecule at a time and see the large molecules formed by it. The first small molecule that we shall discuss is glucose. Glucose is a monosaccharide, and is the simplest carbohydrate. It also occurs naturally in fruits and other parts of plants. The word monosaccharide means the simplest sugar, which means that it is a kind of sugar that cannot be broken down into any simpler sugar by hydrolysis. A carbohydrate on the other hand is a biomolecule consisting of carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen atoms, usually with a hydrogen-oxygen atom ratio of 2:1. Glucose is the small molecule that makes up the large molecules, namely starch, glycogen and cellulose. Next we shall talk about amino acids. There are 20 different types of amino acids in our body. These amino acids join to form larger molecules called as proteins. And lastly, the small molecules, such as the fatty acids and glycerol, join to form the larger biomolecule called as fats. It is important to note that you are only expected to state the names of large molecules that are made from smaller molecules. You are not expected to know further details about these larger biomolecules. So I shall not go into further details at this point. So that's all in this part of the video on biomolecules. Thanks for watching.